Most people get this wrong when trying to delete their Albert account. They uninstall the app and assume everything is gone. Here's the truth no one tells you. Deleting the app from your phone does not automatically close your Albert account or cancel any active subscriptions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Albert account in 2026, what you need to do before closing it, and the mistakes you should avoid to make sure the process goes smoothly. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is log into your Albert account. Before starting the account deletion process, check for any outstanding balances, active cash advances, subscriptions, or pending transactions. This step is important because unresolved account activity may affect your ability to close the account immediately. For example, if Alex recently received a cash advance and hasn't repaid it yet, he may need to resolve that obligation before completing account closure. Now open the Albert app and navigate to your account settings. Most users will find account management options within the Profile or Settings section. Look for options related to account management, privacy, or account closure. But here's the problem. Many users can't find a direct delete button. This is where most people fail. Some account closures may require contacting customer support or following additional verification steps. If you don't see a delete option inside the app, check the Help section and follow the instructions provided for account closure requests. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before submitting a deletion request, make sure you've downloaded or saved any information you may need later. Once an account is permanently closed, access to certain account details may become limited. In a minute, I'll show you one simple step that many people forget. After requesting account deletion, monitor your email for confirmation messages. Albert may send updates regarding your request, identity verification, or account closure status. Don't ignore these emails because additional action could be required. Here's the step many users miss. If you have an active premium subscription, make sure it has been properly canceled according to the latest instructions provided within the app. Simply deleting the app without managing subscription settings may not stop future charges if a subscription remains active. Once everything is completed, wait for confirmation that your account closure request has been processed successfully. To recap, log into Albert, resolve any outstanding obligations, review subscription status, locate the account closure option or support instructions, and follow any required verification steps until you receive confirmation. Now you're ready to close your Albert account the right way without unnecessary surprises. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more app tutorials and financial guides, and leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.